In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Phantom Wallet in your browser without needing to install any app. Navigating the world of cryptocurrency wallets can be a bit daunting, especially if you're new to the space or switching from another wallet. Fortunately, Phantom Wallet is designed to be user-friendly and integrates smoothly with your browser, making it a breeze to manage your crypto assets. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by searching for Phantom Wallet in your preferred search engine. This is a quick and easy way to locate the official website. As with anything online, it's crucial to ensure you're visiting the correct site to avoid any potential scams or phishing attempts. Once you have located the official Phantom Wallet website, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you're on Phantom's website, you'll see an option to download the extension that will work directly with your browser. Click on Add to Chrome, or if you're using a different browser like Firefox or Edge, the equivalent button will be available. Adding the Phantom extension to your browser is a straightforward process. In the next prompt, click Add Extension to confirm. This will download and integrate the Phantom Wallet extension into your browser, and you'll notice the installation process is quite seamless. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to open the Phantom extension. You can do this by looking for the Phantom icon in your browser's toolbar, which is usually found in the top right corner. Clicking this icon will launch the Phantom Wallet interface, providing you direct access to your cryptocurrency assets right from your browser. Congratulations, you've now successfully set up the Phantom Wallet extension on your browser. This quick and simple process ensures that you can manage your digital assets without the need to juggle between multiple devices or applications. Now, you can send, receive, and manage your cryptocurrencies effortlessly with just a few clicks. For a better experience, consider pinning the Phantom Wallet icon to your toolbar for easier access in the future. Simply right-click the icon and select Pin, ensuring it's always visible when you open your browser. This small convenience saves you time and keeps your crypto tools just a click away. By following these steps, you've opened up a new world of possibilities within the cryptocurrency space, all from the comfort of your browser. The Phantom Wallet is a secure, convenient, and easy-to-use solution that fits perfectly into the fast-paced digital age. Thank you for joining me today as we dived into setting up the Phantom Wallet extension. Now, you're ready to explore all its features and manage your portfolio like a pro. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.